Hello friends, we're out at Saguaro Lake once again. It's finally kayaking season. The forests here in Arizona finally have opened up since our whole shelter-in-place order expired earlier this month. Today it is May 18th. Super excited to get out there and see some beautiful sights. Sadly, you can definitely see that there are some issues with this area. As I talked about in my last Saguaro Lake video, pretty much the first big video that I put out there, there's a lot of trash out here, especially since the quarantine. A lot of people misuse this area. It's really sad. Once I get back over, oh yeah, someone left their shoes. That's good. Just going to get the other boat. All sorts of garbage. It's just sad. Like, just disgusting. So Kayla's doing a good job.
10 seconds and I got 7 pieces.
10 seconds. Really wish we brought a garbage bag out here to help out a little bit. That was one of the things we forgot in our planning. We have enough for our stuff, but not nearly like this monumental amount of garbage. And the dumpster over there, as you can see, is overfilling as well. Just sad to see no one's been respecting the area, but so it goes. We're gonna be paddling out, hopefully to a spot where people haven't trashed. But we're gonna be doing some fishing and beach bumming it on the lake today. Should be a great day, stick around. So we're gonna get underway a little bit now and see you guys out there. Hello friends, spent the first couple hours of today trying to cast using this new reel, and it's one of those bait casters, and for whatever reason it has like 3 different ways to try and control the drag and the cast and everything on it. So it's been giving me some trouble. I've had to cut the line like 4 times on it because it just keeps birds nesting, so it's kind of annoying. Putting it away for now because the reel just stopped spinning, but it's now 9 o'clock on the money. Finding some shade. There's not much out here now, as you can see. But it's a beautiful day, albeit a bit warm. We're gonna be showing you one of our favorite spots on the lake in a little bit here. Super hyped to show you. I'll have to look on a map to figure out what exactly it's called. I knew back when I was on the Forest Service, but the name escapes me right now. It's a really cool slot canyon though. And maybe we'll do some fishing back there if things start working out for me. But yeah, it's a beautiful day on the water, making the best of it. Hi friends, just got done with a break. These bright pink flowers behind me are actually an oleander bush, and there are several. You can see the bright red flowers over there. Same plant. So they're actually extremely poisonous. If you eat any part of the plant, you'll get an extremely high-grade fever, and if you ingest enough of it, you will die. And my outdoor survival professor from ASU actually told us this story about this guy. So this guy was camping on the beach. It was a case study. And he had a pack of hot dogs, was camping out there, decided he was gonna cook one over the fire. Only thing he had around was some oleander, because it grows naturally there. Just the stick that he cooked it on, that over time with the steaming meat over the fire, it was enough to kill the man. I haven't Google searched this or anything, maybe it's just an old story, but it goes to show you some of the potential. I believe it's the 7th most poisonous plant in the world, something akin to that. But Right there, it looks so cute. And it was introduced here actually because humans thought it was pretty. There's no real practical use for it other than the landscaping, you know, those bright pink flowers, and they're pretty water efficient. Behind me here, I'll get a closer view in a second, what's known as a tamarisk tree or a salt cedar. And I talked about those a little bit while I was on the Arizona Trail in the Gila River. You can check out that video up here if you're curious. They were introduced back in the 30s and 40s because back then the big conservation push was to fight erosion, because we thought all of our stream banks were going to be destroyed. So the government thought, oh, let's introduce this cedar tree. It'll help protect the banks, and it can grow basically anywhere. So you'll find it even at the bottom of the Grand Canyon on the Colorado River. It's pretty much everywhere, and it's actually started to displace some of the native trees that the birds really count on to nest in. So now we've gotten in this horrible predicament where our native birds are counting on tamarisk trees, an invasive species, for their nesting areas because their previous trees that they would inhabit have been pressured out of a lot of these riparian zones. Kind of interesting, guys. Humans really have a noticeable impact. Four Peaks is all the way up there. It's the highest point in Maricopa County, actually. The one all the way on the left, that's Browns Peak. And the Arizona Trail actually goes on the other side of them, just below, and that's between Sunflower and Roosevelt. It's pretty amazing territory, to be honest. It's all pine trees up there, which would surprise you, being I'm surrounded by saguaros right now. Back to the car. I would have got some footage of us landing, but the whole area is a zoo. It's almost at full capacity. It's a Monday. Kind of crazy. It's about 1:05 right now. So if you're gonna try and do a similar adventure on this lake, I'd recommend getting here early. There was nobody here when we got here at 7, so I'd highly recommend that. It was a beautiful day. Definitely got a little warm by the end of it. Fishing rod is completely crapped out, so hopefully I can figure out whatever's wrong with it. Saw some big fish back in that little channel. It was pretty awesome. I was gonna fly the drone, but then the wind picked up this afternoon, so you know, Mother Nature gives you what she gives you, so we're making the best of it. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe if you like this sort of content. And I'll see you guys very soon. You take it easy.